Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into models in sapui5. Models are fundamental to sapui5's data binding capabilities and the core of the Model View Controller, MVC, architecture. They act as the bridge between your application's UI, the view, and the data that powers it. This tutorial will cover everything from the basics of model types to more advanced techniques like custom models and formatting. Table of Contents *. 1. Introduction to models and data binding. *. What are models? *. Why use models? * The MVC architecture and models. * Data binding basics. 2. Model types in sapui5. JSON model. XML model. OData model. Resource model. Type conversion. 3. Creating and using models. Instantiating models. Setting models on views and components. Binding data to UI controls. 4. Advanced model concepts. Two-way data binding. Formatting and parsing. Model events, request/change/property change. Filtering and sorting. Grouping, only relevant for OData model usually. 5. OData model deep dive. OData services and metadata. CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete. Batch processing. OData v2 versus v4. 6. Custom models. When to use custom models. Implementing a custom model. Data access and manipulation. 7. Best practices and performance considerations. Model initialization. Data binding strategies. Data volume management. 8. Example application, a simple product catalog. Structure of the application. Model definition and usage. UI implementation. Adding functionality. 1. Introduction to models and data binding. What are models? In sapui5, a model is an object that holds the data used by your application. Think of it as a container for your data, making it accessible to the UI. It provides a structured way to manage, update, and access data. Why use models? Data binding. The primary purpose is to enable data binding, allowing UI controls to display and interact with data in a dynamic way. Changes to the model are automatically reflected in the UI, and vice versa, in the case of two-way binding. Separation of concerns. Models help separate the data layer from the UI layer, making your application more maintainable and testable. Centralized data management. Models provide a central point for managing your application's data, making it easier to update and maintain. Simplified updates. Changes to data in the model automatically update bound UI elements, streamlining the development process. The MVC architecture and models. sapui5 follows the Model View Controller, MVC, architectural pattern. Model handles the data and business logic. View displays the data, using UI controls, and provides interaction points for the user. Controller acts as an intermediary, handling user interactions and updating the model accordingly. The model is the data source, the view displays the data, and the controller orchestrates the communication between them. Data binding basics. Data binding connects UI controls to data within a model. sapui5 offers two main types of data binding. Asterisk property binding. Asterisk binds a single property of a UI control to a value in the model. For example, binding the text property of a sap.m.text control to a name field in a JSON model. Asterisk list binding. Asterisk binds a list of UI controls, example items in a sap.m.list, to an array of data in the model. This is used to display collections of data. Asterisk aggregation binding. Asterisk it's a type of list binding. Aggregations of UI controls are data bound to model data, e.g. the items aggregation of a list control. Asterisk element binding. Asterisk binds an element in the view to a specific entity in the model. This is useful when dealing with hierarchical data or when you want to display details of a selected item. 2. Model types in sapui5. sapui5 provides several built-in model types, each suited for different data formats and scenarios. Asterisk JSON model, sap.ui.model.json.json model. Asterisk purpose. Asterisk represents data in JSON, JavaScript object notation, format. Ideal for client-side data or when consuming REST APIs that return JSON. Asterisk characteristics. Asterisk client-side model, data is loaded into the browser's memory. Asterisk easy to use and manipulate. Asterisk suitable for relatively small data sets. Asterisk example. Asterisk XML model, sap.ui.model.xml.xml model. Asterisk purpose. Asterisk represents data in XML format. Less commonly used nowadays but still relevant for legacy systems or services that expose XML. Asterisk characteristics. Asterisk client-side model. Asterisk supports XPath expressions for data access. Asterisk example. Asterisk data.xml file example. Asterisk odata model, sap.ui.model.odata.v2.odata model or sap.ui.model.odata.v4.odata model. Asterisk purpose. Asterisk represents data exposed through an OData, Open Data Protocol, service. Used for interacting with SAP systems and other OData-enabled data sources. Asterisk characteristics. Asterisk server-side model, data is fetched from the server as needed. Asterisk supports CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete. Asterisk supports filtering, sorting, and paging. Asterisk requires knowledge of OData services and metadata. Asterisk example. Asterisk resource model, sap.ui.model.resource model. Asterisk purpose. Asterisk provides access to text resources, example labels, messages, stored in .properties files. Used for internationalization, I-18N, to support multiple languages. Asterisk characteristics. Asterisk client-side model. Asterisk allows you to load and access localized text strings. Asterisk example. Asterisk type conversion. sapui5 automatically handles type conversion between the data in your model and the data expected by UI controls. For example, if your model contains a date as a string, sapui5 can convert it to a date object for display in a sap.m.datePicker control. You can also use formatters for more complex conversions, covered later. 3. Creating and using models. Asterisk instantiating models. You create instances of the model classes using the new keyword. Asterisk setting models on views and components. Once you have a model instance, you need to set it on your view or component so that UI controls can access the data. Asterisk setting the model on a view, in the controller. Asterisk setting the model on a component, in the component.js file. Asterisk binding data to UI controls. Use data binding to connect UI controls to the data in your model. There are two primary ways to bind data. Asterisk using XML views asterisk. In this example, asterisk slash first name and slash last name are binding expressions. They refer to properties at the root of the JSON model set on the view. Asterisk using JavaScript views asterisk. Asterisk list binding example, XML view. In this example, asterisk slash products is a binding path to an array of products in the model. Asterisk name and description are binding paths to properties within each product object in the array. 4. Advanced model concepts. Asterisk two-way data binding. Two-way data binding means that changes made in the UI, example by typing in an input field, are automatically reflected in the model, and changes in the model are reflected in the UI. It is enabled by default for most controls and properties. You can usually disable or change it if needed using mode, sap.ui.model.binding-mode.oneway. It is supported by JSON model and odata model. If the user types a new name into the input field, the first name property in the model will be updated automatically. Asterisk formatting and parsing. Formatting transforms data from the model into a format suitable for display in the UI. Parsing converts data entered by the user in the UI back into a format suitable for the model. You can use formatters to customize these transformations. Asterisk using predefined types asterisk. Asterisk in the XML view code snippet, a text control is bound to the price of a product. The type, sap.ui.model.type.float ensures that the value is treated as a floating point number. The format options specify that the value should always display with 2 decimal places. Asterisk defining custom formatters in the controller asterisk. Asterisk model events, request/change/property change. Models fire events to notify you of changes or requests. You can attach event handlers to these events to perform actions based on the model's state. Asterisk request sent and request completed, odata model. Asterisk property change, JSON model, XML model. Asterisk filtering and sorting. You can filter and sort data in a list binding to display a subset of the data or to arrange it in a specific order. Asterisk filtering asterisk. Asterisk sorting asterisk. Asterisk grouping, typically odata model. Grouping is a powerful feature that allows you to organize data in a list based on a specific property. This is usually done with odata services. 5. Odata model deep dive. Asterisk odata services and metadata. Odata is a standard protocol for creating and consuming data APIs. Odata services expose data as entities and entity sets. The metadata document, $metadata, describes the structure of the service, including the entities, properties, relationships, and operations available. Asterisk CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete. Odata model supports the standard CRUD operations. Asterisk create asterisk creates a new entity in the odata service. Asterisk read asterisk reads data from the odata service. Asterisk update asterisk updates an existing entity in the odata service. Asterisk delete asterisk deletes an entity from the odata service. Asterisk batch processing. Batch processing allows you to group multiple OData requests into a single HTTP request, improving performance. Asterisk OData v2 versus v4. sapui5 supports both OData v2 and v4 models. OData v4 is the newer version of the protocol and offers several improvements, including asterisk more flexible filtering and sorting. Asterisk support for function imports and actions. Asterisk improved handling of concurrency. Consider using OData v4 for new projects, if the OData service supports it. For OData v4, use the sap.ui.model.odata.v4.odata model class. 6. Custom models. Asterisk when to use custom models. You might need to create a custom model when asterisk you need to work with a data source that is not supported by the built-in model types. Asterisk you need to implement custom data access logic or transformations. Asterisk you want to provide a specialized interface for your data. Asterisk implementing a custom model. To create a custom model, you need to extend the sap.ui.model.model class and implement the necessary methods. Asterisk data access and manipulation. Implement methods to access and manipulate data within your custom model. This might involve fetching data from a custom API, performing calculations, or applying transformations. 7. Best practices and performance considerations. Asterisk model initialization. Asterisk initialize models early. Asterisk create and initialize models as early as possible in your application's life cycle, preferably in the init method of your component or the onInit method of your views controller. This ensures that data is available when the UI is rendered. Asterisk load data asynchronously. Asterisk if your data source is remote, example an OData service, load the data asynchronously to avoid blocking the UI thread. Use the load data method with the async option set to true. Asterisk use metadata loaded event. Asterisk for OData models, wait for the metadata loaded event to be fired before performing any operations that depend on the service's metadata. This ensures that the metadata is fully loaded before you attempt to access entities or properties. Asterisk data binding strategies. Asterisk use property binding for simple data. Asterisk use property binding for simple data elements that are displayed in individual UI controls. Asterisk use list binding for collections. Asterisk use list binding for collections of data that are displayed in lists, tables, or other container controls. Asterisk use element binding for hierarchical data. Asterisk use element binding for hierarchical data structures or when you need to bind multiple controls to the same entity. Asterisk avoid overbinding. Asterisk only bind the UI controls that are actually needed. Avoid binding controls that are not visible or that do not display data. Asterisk use binding templates. Asterisk for list bindings, use binding templates to define the structure of the list items. This improves performance by creating the list items only once. Asterisk data volume management. Asterisk use server-side paging. Asterisk when working with large data sets from OData services, use server-side paging to retrieve data in smaller chunks. This reduces the amount of data transferred over the network and improves the UI's responsiveness. Asterisk implement filtering and sorting on the server. Asterisk whenever possible, perform filtering and sorting on the server rather than on the client. This reduces the amount of data that needs to be transferred and processed in the browser. Asterisk use growing lists and tables. Asterisk for lists and tables that display large amounts of data, use the growing property to enable incremental loading. This loads only the visible items initially and loads additional items as the user scrolls. Asterisk limit data retained in the model. Asterisk be mindful of the amount of data that you store in the model. Avoid loading unnecessary data and remove data that is no longer needed. 8. Example application, a simple product catalog. Let's create a simple product catalog application to illustrate the concepts we've covered. Asterisk structure of the application. Asterisk component.js. Asterisk the main component of the application. Asterisk manifest.json. Asterisk the application's descriptor file. Asterisk view/app.view.xml. Asterisk the main view of the application. Asterisk controller/app.controller.js. Asterisk the controller for the main view. Asterisk model slash products.json asterisk a JSON file containing the product data. Asterisk model definition and usage. 1 model slash products.json asterisk. 2 component.js asterisk. Asterisk UI implementation. 1 view slash app.view.xml asterisk. 2 controller slash app.controller.js asterisk. Asterisk adding functionality, example, filtering. Let's add a filter to the product catalog to display only products in the electronics category. 1. Add a search field to the view asterisk. 2. Implement the onSearch handler in the controller asterisk. Explanation of the example application asterisk. Asterisk model creation asterisk the component.js file creates a JSON model and loads the product data from model slash products.json. The model is then set on the component, making it available to all views and controls within the application. Asterisk UI binding asterisk the app.view.xml file defines a list control with its items aggregation bound to the root, slash, of the JSON model. Each standard list item within the list is bound to the name, description, and price properties of a product object in the array. Asterisk filtering, added functionality. Asterisk the onSearch function is triggered when the user types in the search field and presses enter or clicks the search button. Asterisk it retrieves the entered search query. Asterisk it creates a filter object, specifying the name property of the products should contain the search query. Asterisk it applies the filter to the items binding of the product list, so that only products matching the query are displayed. This example provides a basic foundation for working with models in sapui5. You can extend it further by adding more features, such as asterisk sorting asterisk add a sorting feature to sort the products by name or price. Asterisk details view asterisk create a details view to display more information about a selected product. Asterisk odata integration asterisk replace the JSON model with an